Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, we will be learning how to clear cache in the Dropbox application using your mobile device. Clearing the cache in your Dropbox application helps free up space and fix common loading or syncing issues without deleting your actual files. So in order to do that, open the Dropbox application on your mobile device and then make sure that you're logged in. From the home page of Dropbox, tap on Account at the bottom right corner. Now, from the menu that pops up, tap the gear button at the top right. This will open up the Settings menu. Scroll all the way down until you see the Clear Cache button under Privacy. Tap on it and tap on Clear Cache one more time to confirm. After waiting for a couple of seconds, your Dropbox app cache has now been cleared. It won't delete your files, just temporarily stored data. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.